So hey, I want to talk about DataCamp.com, the platform that has been my companion in learning data science. In this video, I want to highlight my experience, some of the features I love about the platform, and why I think DataCamp is a worthy investment for your time and for your money. When I embarked on my quest to master data science, I knew I needed a reliable source, and that's when I stumbled upon DataCamp. So the first thing that drew me into DataCamp was the platform's interactivity. DataCamp has code-along features, meaning you can write code on the browser, making it easy for you to not set up an environment on your local machine when you're learning from the exercises. And also, this learning by doing approach helps you to master the concepts and make learning enjoyable while you're learning data science on the platform. As I progressed, I was pleasantly surprised by the diverse range of courses available on DataCamp, from Python to R to machine learning to data visualization. DataCamp offers a wide range of learning paths that cover for learners at different stages of their learning. But for me, what sets DataCamp apart is the project feature. It helps you apply the knowledge that you've learned in the exercises in real-world scenarios, helping you to advance your problem-solving skills. The learning experience is also enhanced by the supportive community. The platform provides spaces for discussions, and I've found fellow learners always willing to help and share insights. So now let's talk about the pricing. DataCamp offers a subscription model where you pay for the platform per month. But if you don't have the finances for paying for DataCamp, you can look for DataCamp scholarships for learning on the platform. So me, I'm currently on a scholarship for getting access to all the certifications, all the courses, and all the projects that are on the website. And if you're serious, you can pay for the platform and start learning today. At the end of each course, you receive a completion certificate. This not only adds to your sense of accomplishment, but also showcases your skills to potential employers. So you can share your certificates on various platforms like LinkedIn, your WhatsApp, and also on your Twitter handle. So the question right now is DataCamp worth it? And what I can say is that DataCamp is worth the money and it's worth your time, because for me it's my go-to tool for learning data science. Of course, I learn data science on other platforms like Udemy, on LinkedIn Learning, but DataCamp's interactive way of doing things, the principles of learning by doing, the guided projects that are on the platform. DataCamp's interactive platform has been helpful in gaining and practicing my skills, especially on the guided projects. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your data journey or an experienced coder aiming to upskill, DataCamp offers a wealth of knowledge waiting to be explored. And that's my review of DataCamp. Remember, learning is an adventure, and with DataCamp on your side, you're equipped to conquer the world of data science and also enter fields like data engineering, and exploring also fields like AI.